Hey, Breeley, you want to say ABCDs? You don't want to say ABC? A, B, C, D. What? Do you want to say ABCDs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Why not? Hey, Breeley, why don't you want to say your ABCs? Why not, Breeley? Hey, Breeley, you want to say ABCs? Hey, Bree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Breeley, do you want to say ABCs? Can we say, you want to count? One, two, one, two. Oh, you want to say ABCs? A, B.